Life will test you in ways you never imagined. It will throw obstacles in your path that feel impossible to overcome, challenges that seem insurmountable. Maybe you're struggling with finances, dealing with rejection, or facing personal setbacks. Or just feeling like no matter how hard you try, success keeps slipping through your fingers. But here's the truth. Every single successful person you look up to today has been exactly where you are. They've faced setbacks, doubts, and failures. But what separates those who succeed from those who don't? It's simple. They didn't give up. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's built over time, through grit and relentless determination. It's the result of countless hours of hard work and perseverance. Every time you push through an obstacle, you get one step closer to your goal. Each small victory adds up. It won't always be easy. You'll want to quit. You'll question whether it's all worth it. But that is the moment you need to dig deep, because the breakthrough you've been waiting for could be just around the corner. Never give up. Keep pushing. Keep fighting. Because the only way to truly fail is to stop trying. Remember, your story is just beginning, and the only person who can decide how it ends is you.